What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see on the desk, what we have here is the two foldables from Samsung, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, and we have the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Now, I know sometimes as techies, I'm a tech enthusiast, really into tech. I get really deep into some of these products. But today, I just want to make a comparison showing the difference to average consumers, the difference between these two products, because from what I'm seeing in my comments and what I'm seeing when I'm in like these carrier stores and stuff like that, people are confused about these two products and the difference. I see people calling the Flip the Fold, and the Fold the Flip, things of that nature. So this video is basically kind of detailing just the differences lightly for consumers, the difference between the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're back. This is not going to be a long video. I just want to explain the differences between these two devices. While I got them, guys, I might as well put them to use and put them on camera. Now, first of all, let's talk about the smaller one, the Z Flip, guys. Now, and this, I really want to talk about form factor when I talk about these devices, guys. Right here, what we have is the Z Flip, and this is how you will, fold it up after you use this device, guys. Now, the Z Flip is all phone, guys. Its category would be just a phone. Now, if you're a consumer out there and you're looking for a cell phone, nothing more, nothing less, but you're curious about the Galaxy Z line and the foldable products, you want to get into foldables possibly, this is where you would go. If you want a phone, but you want to try foldables, you think it's cool, you think this is something compact, this is where you would go for a Galaxy Z Flip. As you can see, it's a 6.7 inch display, guys. So basically, this is nothing more than a phone that can fold to have, guys. This is basically a Galaxy S21 Plus that can fold to have, some of that nature. Now, it is a little different on the outside. You do have a small display where you can get notifications and text and things of that nature. And you can see them, it's very nice. It's upgraded from the previous Z Flips. Now, as you can see, nice little display, and we have a dual camera system. This has a wide and an ultra wide, no telephoto on the Z Flip. So like I said, if you are in the market for just a straight up and down cell phone, but you want something cool, you want something different, you want an eye catch, you want something that looks trendy, as you can see in this green colorway, just an aluminum frame. All of these come in this like glossy finish, except for if you get the matte black. But yes, this is a phone. It does have a display on the outside, nice little display where you can read your notifications, things like that, and you don't even have to open it up. It's just a compact phone. That's all. That's what this is, for Galaxy S21 that you can fold and have. We got some pretty nice cameras on here. We don't have the telephoto, but we do have the wide and the ultra wide. You can take some good selfies. You can, sit it like so and take a good picture, different angles and things of that nature. Just cool little trendy stuff you could do with this device. But at the end of the day, guys, this is basically just all phone. Now, and it's priced at $1,000. It's priced at $999. That's the MSRP. I'm not talking about deals right now. That's the MSRP for that. That's what the Z Flip is. Now, we get into the Fold, and this is where I can explain the difference. Now, as you can see, we have the Fold right here, and at its smallest point, guys, the Fold is basically a phone. The Fold is basically a phone. Even though some people will complain about this outside screen, it is a kind of tall and narrow. I guess that's how they felt they had to build it to fit it into the device, guys. But as you can see, we got the outside screen that's tall and narrow, and both of these devices have facial recognition and fingerprint scanners on the power button. So it's tall. Let me get it. It's tall and narrow. This is it. This is it, guys. This is the Fold at its smallest point right here, guys. So basically what you got is a 6.2 inch cellular phone right here at this point. Even though you can complain about it, you can say it's small, You have the same front-facing camera right here, things of that nature, guys. The difference between the flip and the fold. Okay, basically the flip folds out to just a phone. The fold is already a phone off the break, and then it can change into the fold. Starts as a phone, it's not compact, and then it can turn into a tablet. Now, what this is a 7.6 inch display, guys, that you can fold out, and you can have like a tablet-like experience on your cellular device that you can take out your pocket. It's about the size of a phone, way thicker than the phone, of course, because basically this is like two slim phones put together when it's closed, But the fold actually folds out into something bigger, which is a tablet. That's the price difference. The fold costs $1,800. The flip is $1,000. The fold is almost 2 times more expensive than the flip. You're gonna notice that it's not really a lot of differences internally. Yes, the fold does have a 3-camera system on the back, and that's because the fold has a telephoto lens on the back. So with the flip, you don't get a telephoto. With the fold, you get the telephoto lens. With the fold, you do get the DeX system. You can plug this into a monitor, or you can hook it up wirelessly to a Samsung TV and get the DeX experience, like the computer experience. They both run on the same processor. The fold runs on the Snapdragon 888, so does the flip. But the flip only starts off with 8 gigs of RAM. The fold starts off with 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. The flip starts off with 128 gigabytes of storage, 8 gigs of RAM, guys. So just some differences. Now for the consumers out there, guys, like I said, the flip is basically just the flip is like a compact. It's just like a little compact, guys. Like if you was looking at like back in the day when you see in your mom's purse, you would see the makeup and stuff like that, just like a little compact that folds out into a cellular device. 6.7 inches, so I would call it a plus. S21 Plus or something like that. You can fold that, put it away, put it in your little jeans, put it in your little purse, whatever you got going on. Put it in your little man bag, whatever you got going on. Now, the fold, it starts as a phone. It's right here in this form, you're gonna start as a phone, but then you can flip to almost, to a small tablet. That's what I'm calling it. A small tablet is, as you can see, we got the creases. Both of these have creases. The fold has a vertical crease because of, just because it's a foldable. It has a vertical crease, as you can see, going through the middle of the display. And and this has a horizontal crease, in the middle display because of how they fold. But a lot of times, in most situations, the creases don't bother me. They kind of disappear after a while. But the fold is just a phone, starts its life as a phone, and it can turn into like a small tablet. You can buy an S Pen. You can use it on this inner screen, not on that outer screen. The outer screen is just like a convenient screen. That's what I call it. But at the end of the day, it's big as a cell phone. You can use it as a complete cell phone. The fold does have another camera, the under display camera. But it's not it's not as good as the camera on the front of the device. But yeah, guys, so those are just some differences I wanted to get into as far as these foldable devices go, and just kind of let you guys know, so you know what you're looking for and you know what you're looking at. When you out here, you looking for a flip, you looking for a phone, but you looking for something different. It's different, it's compact, it's convenient, it's a trendsetter, it's eye-catching. This is the fold, also trendsetting and eye-catching, but not as compact. It starts life as a phone. It doesn't flip in half at this point. It starts life, this is about a phone size, but it is, a whopper. It is thick, and it's heavier because, it folds out to a complete, like a small tablet, like just under the size of like an iPad mini. But yeah, guys, it's your man BG Tech Life. If you have any more questions, put them down in the comment section. You can follow me at BG Tech Life on Facebook. You can follow me BG_Tech Life on Twitter. You can follow me, BG_Tech Life on Instagram. It's your man, BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.